Hey everyone, thanks for watching. In today's video, I will be showing y'all how to make a canvas. This is super inexpensive and easy to make. I chose to use a canvas print that already had artwork on it, and this is the website where I got it. I will leave it linked down below in case you were interested. But you can also use canvas fabric if you were wanting a blank canvas to paint on. So there are definitely options to this DIY. Also, of course, you can do whatever size canvas you would like. And in this video, I will be doing a giveaway since I am officially out of space in my house to hang up any more DIYs. I want to give away this canvas art. It would be perfect to use as home decor, and you can also give it as a gift. So if you are interested in entering the giveaway, all you have to do is be subscribed to my channel and click the bell to turn on the notifications and leave a comment down below just so I know that you want to be entered. I will be announcing the winner on next Thursday's DIY video. Hey Siri, what's the date next Thursday?
July 12th, 2018.
So definitely stay tuned for that, and good luck to anyone who enters. And I just want to say thank you ahead of time to everyone who supports my channel and watches my videos. I really appreciate all of you, and I hope to definitely do some more giveaways. As usual, we will first start with everything that you need to make it. You will need a 2x2 pine, and this is a 8-foot strip. You will need a canvas print or canvas fabric, whatever you would like to use for yours. You will need a staple gun, and if you don't have a staple gun, you can use really small nails and that will do the trick as well. These flat braces and a tape measure. So I'm going to go ahead and wrap the canvas around the wood so I can get an estimate on the measurement that I want for my canvas. So I ended up doing mine 8 by 12.5. I'm going to make just one mark because I like to measure and mark each piece as I cut it. Go ahead and cut that. You can get this done at a hardware store if you didn't have a saw at home, and then go ahead and measure that out to where I have two exact same sizes and cut that piece. And now I'm going to measure out my 12.5-inch piece, cut that, and then make a mark and cut a second piece. I'm going to go ahead and put it into the frame. That way I can start to connect it all together. So I'm going to take these flat braces, and that's how I'm going to secure all four corners. So I'm going to first pre-drill it because that makes it a lot easier to drill in our screws, and it also will help prevent the wood from splitting. Once you have pre-drilled all four corners, I'm going to drill in all of the screws on all four corners. These braces did come in a 4-pack, and they did come with all of the screws, so it was a really good deal. And this is how it looks once one corner is finished. So I'm going to go ahead and do all 3 of the other corners. Once I finished drilling all of the screws in, this is how the frame looks. This is going to be our back side. I'm going to lay the print upside down and put the frame right on top. I'm going to get the frame as centered as possible. That way I'm sure that I have enough canvas to wrap around and staple it to the back. Then I'm just going to begin stapling it. So once you do one side and you go to do the other side, you do want to be sure that you're pulling as you staple it so that the canvas is really flat on the front side. You don't want any wrinkles. Then I'm going to fold the 2 sides, kind of like how you would when you wrap a gift. I'm just going to fold the 2 corners in, pull, and then begin stapling that. And then I'm going to do the same thing to the other side, fold it like a gift, and then just staple that as well. This is how the back side looks once I finished all of the stapling. So as you can see, this was super easy to make. It also was super inexpensive, so it would make a great gift. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you're not already, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye guys.